Train, guys. The train. We're trying to get the train. I wasn't going to go live, but it's like for 5 minutes. I'm doing this live for the train. I was doing videos. Sorry, guys. I was doing videos, but look at the train. Look at look at the train bringing in our food and our everything. It's awesome. That's so beautiful. Guys, I just met somebody, I took a few pictures, video, and she's saying that she's letting me know that when it's fall time down here, it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. So stay tuned. So it's a short video, guys. Overlooking the river. Yeah. Overlooking the river today. Um just work out, cause look, I was right here on the train and the lady came and I get to take some good pictures. Yeah, awesomeness. Awesomeness, guys. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. So beautiful. The grounds are so green. I'm just giving you a sightseeing of the beautiful grounds. Ooh, the beautiful river. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that. What if my phone drop over here? So look at that. Look at that. Choo, 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 choo. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just doing a short video, guys. The sun is hot, so yeah, it's just a short video. So yeah, I'm going back up. I'm going back. I'm going back. It's a beautiful day. When I started out, it was a little chilly, but as I walk more, it gets a little bit warmer. So it's a beautiful day. And I didn't plan to come on live, but you know, we just come to do some grocery shopping. Hi, Jackie. Okay, buy something for me here. Yes, nice, 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 nice. Be safe on the road too. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you this tree. I didn't know leaves start falling off trees already. It's so beautiful. Look, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. The building is beautiful. Look at that tree, guys. Soon reach it. At the back of the children there. Look at this tree. Jackie, look at this tree. Okay, have fun. It's good to go out with Obi, you know. Make them spend. When they go out with Obi, just make them spend. And you collect. Look at this beautiful tree, guys. I didn't know that trees or leaves are falling from trees. Jackie. Yes, man, double tap the live. Yeah. Whew. You see, I'm walking fast up this hill. I said I was going to sit there and look at the ground, how pretty. The trees, the one tree alone do this. The one dege tree. Look, leaves are falling from tree, guys. What is that saying? We are going into what next, Jackie? I can't believe leaves falling from trees. Hmm? Whew. Jeez, I'm tired. Can I go down, I run go down a river, go catch the train, you know, guys. Yeah, I was here like just, I was here like just taking videos and pictures, and the train came and I said, okay, let's do this. And I did it. And I come live. All because I saw the train.
Oh, like I'm scared. Like I'm
Hi.
starting to
Hi.
happen, but it just felt like
So we have parents and students here touring. Oh, somebody was sitting down there. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know that. Whew. Guys, look at the beautiful sky.
yeah. Well, that was the one I was in. It was
Whew, 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 whew. Let me show you this beautiful. What's the name of this plant? I'm not even sure. But it's so beautiful. What's the name of it? It is so beautiful. Got it. Not so sure, but yeah, it is beautiful. Hi. And they have the yellow ones too. They have the yellow ones. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I think I need to go like this somewhere. Yeah, the yellow ones. Did I show you the orange one, the white ones? Because I didn't have it too close up. So let me show you again. The white ones there, guys. Yeah, the white ones. So let's go back. Let's go back like that. Ooh, the grounds are so beautiful. Beautiful trees, beautiful grass, beautiful plants. Yeah. And we're still overlooking the river. Still overlooking the river. So yeah. I didn't know I could have been on live and for 10 minutes today. Ooh. Hope it's not too close up. Cause yeah, the kids. There are kids there, actual kids. There are actual kids here. They are touring the college. Whew, whew. Hi Lola, what's up? So yes, they're having um something happening where you're having the students come in and network stage and film. That's what it's named. Yeah. Lola, what's going on? Out in Beryl in Jamaica. How are you doing? Hello. Seat. Network stages. Network stage and film. See it? Yeah. That's what is happening here. So that's why the children are here. Small kids are all over. Yep. Back from 7 days without light and internet. Mercy. We can't go through that again, you know. But anyways, some people take it for fun and some people take it seriously. But I remember when I was out of all those stuff during Gilbert. Jackie Cross went shopping, which Obi, me tell her, if it just what make Obi spend, it could have been worse. Thank God. And she just collect the stuff. It could have been worse.
But it's an open
Yeah.
bar.
But God all the time. All the time. God is good. Jeez. So cool. The trees, oh, make it so refreshing and so nice and so cool. And I feel like just sit or lie and roll here. The way here so nice and cool. Jeez. Compared to where I'm coming from in the sun. It's so nice. It's so nice and cool. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Because of the trees. Oh, it's cool. Student coming. Because of the trees, they give it what you call it now? Where the bamboo name at St. Elizabeth, that bamboo look something there. Where it cover the road. So you have a little shade. Yeah. That's the vibes I get from here. So some people are at this time 3 weeks. Yeah, I think they don't have any. Um Shireen. Shireen is still without. Shireen is from Senti, you know. Senti damage bad, 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 bad. Shireen row. And I saw in the paper where they say it's gonna take a month. Alan Bamboo, yeah. Alan Bamboo. I'll let me hear so just cave in on the road. Yeah. Yep. It cave in. Oh, Jackie's still here. Jackie's still here, man. Jackie's still a watch me. Jackie's still a watch me. So guys, I'm gonna leave you shortly because my lunch time is up. So look at these beautiful settings of greenery. So if you are celebrating a birthday in any kind, happy birthday, anniversary, happy anniversary. If you are mourning, as I said before, condolences to Shireen. She lost her brother 2 days ago. We are prayers are with Shireen at this time, guys. Yeah, so if you see her on the live, just send her a hug. Alright? Any live at all. Saying you're going to be in burial. Yeah, she caught up, yes. She didn't want to left the breadfruit and the mangoes and the... So she get caught up. But she's good, thank God. Yeah, and Jackie was away too. God is good. You guys are back safe. Yeah. Good afternoon, Radine. You just a come? I'm here leave. Oh my. Oh, honey. You have to rewatch the live. See it? You have to rewatch the live. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. I wish I could stay for us to talk some more, you know, chat some more. But when me on come on late, um, so I have to run go back on my dates. I always up my door wrong. So yeah, and since you're coming, yes, yes, man, give her love, hugs, and kisses from the Aunt's happy place. and our followers and subscribers. Yes, bye. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend. God bless you. Stay safe. Jackie, remember to send my thing where you go buy on the mall or wherever. And God bless you all. Bless upon yourself. We don't even talk about the evening of elegance, yes, but after everybody done talk, people are talk, and some of them are talk crap. Shireen, oh no. Shireen, dear. Hi, Shireen. How you doing? How you doing, Shireen? I was just logging off, but I'm glad to catch you live and see all your love, the love you're getting. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, she's here. Yeah, she caught us. So she caught us real good. Jeez. And if you start the live home, we can stay longer. Because the work like not work. No, dear. I had a birthday thing the same night, evening. Yeah, and it was planned long before. I was saying it in the comments. So I now can make it. Yeah, it was a 70th birthday. It was really nice. And then through me the safari, that was closer, so I just decided to go there. So tomorrow, I'm not so sure. I don't think so. We are far, you know. And then if up in I work, me anyway, I take the train and come. Yeah, I know. What time? Tell me what time. Say don't tell me what time. What time she will be there? What time she will be there, guys? Tell me what time. Let me see. Maybe if it's in the evening. But if it's early, me now can come. Maybe a country or foreign country. Breakfast. That mean early morning. 12. Me alone now come take down train come. I don't know how Uber stay. All day. Okay, all day. Alright, so let me see it go now. Hopefully we can come catch her after the evening. But me that like a reach night. So take care, guys. I'm going right in on my desk. Yeah, I'm in New York, but outskirts of New York. New York is big, remember? Yeah, Brooklyn, Jersey, Georgia, Poughkeepsie, Island, whole heap of place. Take care. See you. Bye. Gotta go. See you guys later. Later. Bye. Out of order. Bye. Have a good weekend. Wala out of order, New York bush. Okay, Jeez. Okay. See you all. Take care. It's not bush. It's just that we're not close to Jersey. At Jersey. Go on there. What's it, Jersey? Maybe closer than your Lola. Mm, 20 minutes. Wow. 20 minutes.